Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this video is how to make this design right here, either a pendant or we started making earrings in a previous deal, and I made one almost like this, but I've added a little bit of flair to it. So I thought I'd show you how to did that. I was actually drawing this when that other video was loading, and then I just now got to it. Go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour 1/2 inch 10 times. That might be a little bit too much. Let me make this. Tell you what, let's just use that, but we'll make it bigger for the video. That'll be pretty good. Now we're going to take a 2-point line and hit P and put it in the center of the page, and go to the pen tool and turn this into something other than a hairline. That'll be good and thick. Now, before you do anything else, you need to take that line and turn it into an object. And if you watch the previous video, you'll know why. And there's 2 ways you could do this. This way, let's see, this thing's like 11 inches. Let's change our nudge factor to 14. Let's make a duplicate of this guy, Control D. Now let's take this one, get our Docker transform, and we're going to rotate it 22.5 degrees 7 times. Well, you know what? I didn't have it all selected. Tell you what, let's just do it. Let's do this one at 45 degrees. Okay, that puts it on the corners. Let's take this one and rotate it 1 time, 22.5 degrees. Okay, we don't need that line right now. Now let's rotate this guy 22.5 degrees times, let's see, it'll be 1, 2, 3 times. Well, really we needed to go 45 degrees. 45 degrees 3 times. So what we're doing, we got the opposite. We've got some at the points, and we got some at the flat part of the octagon. Now there's several ways you could do this, and one way that's probably the easiest and maybe the quickest, because you're going to get kind of confused on which one to do. This one, we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill in, we're going to skip one, skip that one, and hit that one. On this one, we're going to skip that one and skip that one and put it here. And just to make sure it looks okay, we're going to move it over. And see what I'm doing, it's between those lines. So we could actually put one more, because you've got to have some space between those lines. Let's back up. We can actually put it right there. Because this is the part that you'll get confused on which is what. So we basically have what we need. So let's take our black, and we can just probably select this and just nudge our black over. Let's nudge this out of the way. We don't need them anymore. Let's nudge this back, and that's the center of our rotation. So we're going to group this together, and we're going to Control D and make a duplicate of that and move our center of rotation to the center. A lot of times Corel does that, but it is. We're going to rotate this 45 degrees. Control D, 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. And there you have it already. So what you have is you have some broken lines and not broken lines. You have some angles. And the way to kind of look at this another way, this is going to be your cut line. So let's left click, right click. And then this thing is, well, the best way to do it is just group this together. Control G. It's already in the center of the page. Well, I didn't grab them all. Let's Control G. It's in the center of the page. Now we're going to take it 8-sided octagon and hit P. It is not quite big enough, so we're going to stretch it, hit P. Stretch a little bit more and hit P. Actually, we're going to stretch it a little bit more. Better to do it with the pick tool. I hit delete. That's pretty, sorry. So there's your outside. And the way to look at it is what it's going to look like cut out is that that's going to be the wood. Let's actually turn that into a wood color. And it could be any color. That's what it's going to look like as an earring or a pendant. Pretty cool and pretty simple. There's several ways to do that. And this I found kind of the easiest. Instead of trying to fill in that line equally all the way around, just get it done and rotate it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.